like them. Jamming on the beat. Serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. If you're new here, I'm Deb. Welcome. And I'm going to go ahead and do ice cream because where I was sick, I didn't get to do December's, and now January's is here. So I'm just going to go ahead and do both of them. And that'll show you a little bit more about the consistency of it. And I believe these are the last two that I had from where I was sick. So I'm not sure which is which. Well, let's just open it up and see. I think that's the new one. No, this is January. Okay, this is January, so this must be December. Yeah, there it is. There it is. And every month you get one of these. And now their box is $25, and that includes shipping. And it's monthly. And they also have a bag, and I believe it's $12.50, and then it's like $3 shipping or something. But with the box, you are guaranteed 5 to 7 items, one of being a pallet. Now in the bag, you also are guaranteed a pallet, but you get 3 to 5 items in the bag. So without further ado, we'll just do this. We'll do this one. Now I did take the peanuts out of it because I get them all over my house if I don't. But they always come really well wrapped. So I'm just going to go ahead and we'll just, what is this? This is a premium makeup brush. It doesn't say who it's by. I don't know who it's by, but it's him in this box. I don't see it. Should, maybe it's on here and I'm just missing it. Palette, under eye cream, matte lipstick. Oh, it's an eye brush set by MAANGE Beauty. It looks like this. And it is valued at $13. And it is a whole set. Let me get all the plastic off of them. I'll put them right in there. Okay. And these are the brushes. Very soft. And see if they have them labeled. This is tapered blending brush. This one is small blending brush. This one is short shader. This one is large shader. And this one is angled shading brush. So you got 5 brushes. So nice. I like it when you get the whole set. So we actually got 5 things in this one. Okay, then I'll do this one. What is it? This is under eye cream. And it's worth $33, and it's by Creme'de la Cube, and it looks like that. Okay. And see, this right here pays for your entire box too. There's got it. Took me a minute. And this is what it looks like outside of the packaging. Very pretty packaging, isn't it? Ooh. And it's a tinted cream, which I won't put on my face right now because I just put all that other stuff on. So I will do this instead. And it's, I would say, medium coverage. Okay, and that was worth $33. Okay, then we have State of Nature is the color. And it is Prism lipstick. Isn't that pretty? That was just something you just feel all fancy pulling out of your pocket, out of your purse, wouldn't it? Look at that. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay, and it opens and it is dark. But I'll try it. Ew. Ew. No. No. No, no, no. It's very dry. Very, very dry. It's pretty, but it is so dry. It is so dry. I would say no. Skip it. Skip this one, no matter, you know, it's dry. It's a dry, terrible formula. I don't like that at all. However, it doesn't seem to move once it's on there. So there's that. How much was that? That was $10. Well, that's more than $10 more than it's worth. Okay. Then here's Triffle Cosmetics Pavlova Pallet Ambrosia. That's what it says on the sticker. Okay, if you say so. And this is what it looks like. Triffle Cosmetics. Huh. And these are the colors. Pulp. Here, let me get this way. Pulp, Peachy, and Sweetness. And I will go ahead and, I think this is probably the only shade I could use even with this. Very dark. Good bronzers, maybe. We'll see. Let me just go ahead and put a little highlight here. Let's see what happens. Just use all the same brush for it because it's all too dark for me. Yeah, that lipstick. Now my lips are I'm a little dehydrated, so it might have been me, but yeah, that looks bad. It looks bad. So anyway, that's this. It's rather dark. And it is $32? No. I don't know. We'll put that there for now. And then we got Happy Go Lucky. And it's a palette from Ecstasy Page. And it's valued at $28. Oh, Ensley. E-N-S-L-E-Y. And these are the colors. Let's just see. pretty, pretty. And while I'm at it, let's just go ahead and just put some of this right dead center. Oh yeah, that woke it up. That woke it up. I liked it. That's pretty. It's very pretty. Let's try swatching this one. Now this one's probably close to my skin color, yeah. I'll go ahead and swatch this one too, because those are all the swatches. But yeah, I really like this one. I really dug into that, didn't I? I like that color. Nice. I do like, and I like the formula of it. It's very creamy. It feels creamy. It's powder, but it feels creamy, you know. You know what I mean. So I will put that in there in my collection. Maybe. So yeah, December's box was really good, wasn't it? And let's see, did I say what that was? Yeah, that was $25 for that palette. Okay, then we're going to go to January's now. Now January's looks like this. Okay, so we'll have this. We'll put that down there with my thing, because you always get your card. Okay, well, let's just start off with this. Okay. Okay, this is lip cream from, how do you say that? De la Cube, Cream de la Cube. This is the lip cream. Very pretty packaging, and I get the cube. And it's just like, honestly, it feels like just something similar to Vaseline. So that's what it feels like. It's a consistency of Vaseline. Then of course your body temperature melts it, and then it closes up just like that. And it is valued at $25. Okay, then we'll go to Charmacy Milano. Must be $25. This is $25. And it's a single eyeshadow. And I very rarely grab the singles. Very rarely. Ooh, but it is pretty. Look at that. It's very pretty. And this, you can see the let's see where I can put it. You see? And it goes back and forth to different colors. Okay. Nice. I'll put that in my thing. Then we have Halo Glow. And it looks like this from Medusa Makeup. And this is $12 from Medusa's Makeup. And it just suddenly got darker in here. And they do have their own box, but I don't subscribe to it. I've never really, I don't know how much it is or anything, but this is just like a stick highlighter. And then we'll kind of blend just to make it look like we tried. You know how that goes. But I do like a stick sometimes, because you can throw it in your purse and you can fix it in the bathroom. So that's nice. Okay, let's figure out what this is. This is, I would say, Sugar Daddy lipstick by Medusa Makeup. It has the color. The color is Sugar Daddy. So let's just check her out. Check it out. Okay, now this is just plain black with our logo on it. And it has the color at the bottom. Let's see what Sugar Daddy. I really don't like all these nudes that they're going with this year. I just don't like them. They don't look good on me. They just don't look good on me. Sorry, they don't. But anyway, there's that. And that was valued at $14. And then we got just desserts or yummy treat from Ladybug Glow, and it's valued. Both are valued at $30. I don't remember which one I picked. Oh, just desserts is what I got. That's what I got. Wow. And there is a mirror. There is a mirror. So I will, those are the colors. Lots of pretty colors. Well, no, that's my favorite. That's the white on here. It's a shimmer, but it's a little dual chrome. So is that one. Okay. Okay, I see you. Those are all the shimmers and duochromes from the center row. The rest are all mattes. We'll do this purple one. And we'll do the red, because red's sometimes nice formula. So yeah. Great. Like it. Oops, that's the wrong one. I don't know what that one went to. I always try to keep these plastic things in. So anyway, now that my hair is probably dried like this, we'll just call it a day. So like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. Remember, old people need love too. Bye.